How to remove streaks that appear on copies or scans fed through the automatic document feeder for HP LaserJet multifunction printers. If lines or streaks appear on copies or scans made through the automatic document feeder, or ADF for short, follow these steps to isolate the issue and properly clean the appropriate area of the ADF. When using the automatic document feeder for copies or scans, streaks or lines appear on the page. These streaks appear on the copy from the bottom to the top of the page. Multifunction printers use a separate piece of glass when making scans through the ADF. Note: 99% of all lines and streaks on copies made through feeding the original documents through the ADF are caused by debris on the ADF glass. Debris can be caused by dust, markers, correction fluid, fingerprints, glue, tape, sticky note adhesive, and more. Even the tiniest specks can cause the light reflected off the original to be distorted, resulting in a line, streak, or smudge on copies or scans made from the ADF. Step 1. Clean the ADF glass and white strip. Open the scanner lid and locate the strip of glass next to the main scanner flapped glass. Use a soft, lint-free cloth moistened with water to clean the ADF glass. Note: if needed, lens cleaner or non-abrasive glass cleaner can be applied to the cloth before cleaning the glass. Spray only onto the cloth and not directly onto the glass or printer. Do not spray water or glass cleaner on the glass, as it can possibly damage the printer. Do not use abrasives, acetone, benzene, ethyl alcohol, or carbon tetrachloride on the glass. On the underside of the scanner lid above the strip of ADF glass, use a soft, lint-free cloth moistened with water to clean the upper white strip. In some cases, there may be a metal strip or a glass strip similar to the ADF glass. If the white strip does not come clean, try again using isopropyl alcohol and then wipe the surface thoroughly with a damp cloth to remove any residual alcohol. Dry the ADF glass with a soft, dry cloth to prevent spotting, and then try again to copy or scan. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. Step 2. Isolate the location of debris on the ADF glass. Place a blank sheet of paper in the ADF and mark an X in the lower right corner of the page. Press the Start button to make a copy of the blank page. Place the copied paper face up on the flapped glass with the X located in the lower right corner. Make sure the upper left corner of the copy is aligned with the upper left corner of the flapped glass. Follow the line or streak on the paper to the area on the ADF glass that is causing the issue. Use a fingernail to loosen any stubborn debris. Use only a fingernail, as other objects can scratch the ADF glass. Clean this specific area on the ADF glass again and dry it with a soft, lint-free cloth. Then wipe the entire area to remove any residue or smudges. Try making another copy to verify that the streaks are gone. Clean the ADF glass periodically to prevent streaks and ensure great copy quality. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.